If you get more, suck it out on big spreads, darling. And then they'll come like brush that down in bits and then chuck it towards them. Good hair. I'm going to attempt to feed a bird. With my hand. I'm the bird man. I'm going to attempt to feed one of my babies. One of my baby ducklings. The ducks don't feel safe enough, but the mothers do. Mother's milk. Isn't it?
Push the duck away.
Look. A bit on my hand quickly. I'm going to feed the mum again. Ow! Bit more. Yeah. There we have it. I am the Birdman. Look, this one wants to keep feeding from me. Here you go. Come on in. Come on in. From the bird cam. There you go. Don't hurt you. This one loves me. Here we have it from the bird cam. Watch. I'll do it closer, look, with no hand. From the bird cam. How cool is that? The bird cam is excellent. I know what boys like. I know what girls like. There we have it. Oh, it's the Birdman. Sarah! Bird.